You're hanging out with that girl over there. It's that girl. You know that girl? You don't know that girl? No? You don't know her? Just some person that's taking pictures of you right now? You don't know this yet? You're so nervous. Hey, babe, what's up, man?
El pato. El ganso. El ganso está karateca ahí. El papá adoptivo. Más bien dicho. Es el papá adoptivo.
Actually, kind of should have them like that. Look at the walls. Just look at the walls. What? Right behind them, please. Right behind them. Where's my baby?
In the Shrek and Donkey Show. Oh, come on. I know you all here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest!
And I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
See what?
Says who?
Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet of Master Thundering Rhino.
I see your thundering rhino and raise you one talking donkey.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful, it can knock you into the spirit realm.
Check these. I can't compete with that.
Hold it, hold it. Oh, you've just received a message from
The Emperor! My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor!
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that the delivery?
Oh, that looks important.
It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
But we may not all survive. Okay, look at that.
Poppy reporting for duty!
She said duty! Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww! Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat.
Ooh, how about if you guys come as backup?
You're serious?
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside.
Everyone, so no need to push or shove. But we are on a schedule and the show's about to start, so come on, push up! Get no seats! Butts down, people, let's go. Thank you. Skip around.
Hey guys, go run! Oh, Dad, let me help you.
You're such a good son. Oh, hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody, this should be quite a ride. Imperial Paris, here we come.
This is so exciting.
Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks.
Hang on, everybody.
That's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Imperial Highness, it is with great pleasure to offer you this rare canning. Really?
I will defeat you in the spirit realm! It's okay.
You're outnumbered 3-1.
Not for long! Give me that bottle!
Oh, no, you don't, Kang! Power of cheer!
You're no match for my hammer! I'm coming, Dad! Fools!
You can never defeat us. Think again.
Your father! Hold a bottle! Here I come, Dad!
The Dragon Warrior!
I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot sauce.
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!